Hey there, snack lovers. Today, we're going to talk about some amazing healthy snack ideas that will not only satisfy your cravings, but also give your body the nourishment it needs. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have a delightful fruit salad. Combine your favorite fruits, like apples, bananas, and grapes, for a refreshing and nutritious snack. Next, we have a scrumptious yogurt parfait. Layer your favorite yogurt with fresh fruits and granola for a delicious and filling snack. Now, let's talk about a protein-packed snack. Mix some peanut butter with a banana and roll it up in a whole wheat tortilla for a satisfying and healthy snack. And lastly, we have a crunchy and nutritious snack. Combine some almonds, raisins, and pretzels for a snack that's both tasty and good for you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found these healthy snack ideas helpful and delicious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Stay healthy, stay happy.